In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use Ask Simon, CivilGEO's AI-powered assistant. Ask Simon is designed to help you quickly find answers, guidance, and resources while working on your projects. To get started, click the Ask Simon icon on the toolbar. The Ask Simon panel will appear. In the search box, type your question. For example, how do I assign manhole elevations? Ask Simon will then display a list of relevant results, which may include dialog boxes, help articles, or guidance related to your question. Ask Simon also provides a set of predefined questions. These cover common tasks and quick tips. You can simply click on a predefined question to instantly see the related information without typing anything. It also offers 24/7 AI support, giving you round-the-clock assistance for basic modeling questions right inside the software. And with multi-language support, you can ask questions in the language you're most comfortable with. For example, if you want to know about stormwater element display properties in German, you can simply type your question in German, and it will display the results in German. That's how you can use Ask Simon to get instant, intelligent support for your engineering projects, anytime, anywhere.